what can I say?
Very fun.
Very good. Good job.
Starting Monday, Mr. Singh will be teaching the class.
No!
Oh, no? Oh, I thought you wanted to take over.
No!
Very good. The eagles suddenly flew away. Very good, Mr. Singh. I don't know that I could have done better myself. Outstanding. I just can't get over it. Okay, anyway, go ahead.
The tourists were visiting western Arizona. One day while hiking, they reached the crest of a hill where they noticed a pair of eagles standing on a large rock. When they approached the birds and attempted to take a photograph, the eagles suddenly flew away.
Suddenly flew away. Very good. They noticed a pair of eagles standing on a large rock. When they approached the birds and attempted to take, a photograph, the eagles suddenly flew away. Okay.
The tourists were visiting western Arizona. One day while hiking, they reached the crest of a hill where they noticed a pair of eagles standing on a large rock. When they approached the bird and attempted to take a photograph, the eagle suddenly flew away.
The eagles suddenly flew away.
再见。
再见。
您先在哪里？
明天再来。
明天再来，是的，
明天见。
明天再来，现在再见。
Bye bye, Mr. Singh.
拜拜。
拜。
拜。
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. One's up, one's down.
Okay, anyway, that's it for today. Okay, right. They approached the birds and attempted to take a photograph. The eagles suddenly flew away. Okay, sir.
Tourists were visiting western Arizona. One day while hiking, they reached the crest of a hill while they noticed a pair of eagles standing on a large rock. When they approached the birds and attempted to take a photograph, the eagle suddenly flew away.
Right, suddenly flew away. The crest of a hill, where? Where? The crest of a hill, where they noticed a pair of eagles standing on a large rock. When they approached the birds and attempted to take a photograph, the eagles suddenly flew away. Okay.
The tourists were visiting western Arizona. One day, while hiking, they reached the crest of a hill where they noticed a pair of eagles standing on a large rock. When they approached the birds and attempted to take a photograph, the eagle suddenly flew away.
Right, very good. The eagles suddenly flew away. While hiking, they reached the crest of a hill where they noticed a pair of eagles standing on a large rock. Okay.
The tourists were visiting western Arizona. One day, while hiking, they reached the crest of a hill, where they noticed a pair of eagles standing on a large rock. When they approached the birds and attempted to take a photograph, the eagle suddenly flew away.
Right, very good. Attempted to take a photograph, the eagles suddenly flew away. While hiking, they reached the crest of a hill where they noticed a pair of eagles standing on a large rock. Okay.
The tourists were visiting western Arizona. One day while hiking, they reached the crest of a hill where they noticed a pair of eagles standing on a large rock. When they approached the birds and attempted to take a photograph, the eagles suddenly flew away.
Right, very good. Crest of a hill where they noticed a pair of eagles standing on a large rock, visiting western Arizona. Okay.
Tourists were visiting western Arizona one day. While hiking, they reached the crest of a hill where they noticed a pair of eagles standing on a large rock. When they approached the bird and attempted to take a photograph, the eagle suddenly flew away.
The eagles suddenly flew. It's almost like the illness of flu. Flew away. They approached and attempted, suddenly flew away. Hiking, they reached the crest of a hill where they noticed a pair of eagles standing on a large rock. Okay.
The tourists were visiting western Arizona. One day while hiking, they reached the crest of a hill where they noticed a pair of eagles standing on a large rock. When they approached the birds and attempted to take a photograph, the eagles suddenly flew away.
Flew away. Very good. Standing on a large rock. L sound. Crest. They reached. So the tourists were visiting Arizona, western Arizona as a matter of fact, not eastern, northern, or southern, but western, maybe out by Yuma, Arizona, the city, visiting for a week. One day while hiking, what is hiking?
Climb the mountain.
Hiking. If I said, would you like to go on a hike? Would you say, what, who, what, huh, what? Or, oh yeah, okay. A hike. A walk. Usually not to the supermarket or to the library, but out in a remote area, open area, maybe a forest or a mountainside, or in this case, a hill, climbing up, climbing, going around, looking, taking pictures, oh wow, out in the countryside. And what were you doing out there? We were hiking. It happens a lot in Arizona. And what also happens a lot in Arizona, when they're out hiking, they take hikes. They start out in the morning, fairly nice, pleasant weather, clock ticking, heat. Oh, I forgot my water. Oh, I've been walking for 3 miles and I'm really tired and I have no water. And the next thing you know, helicopter comes over, rescue, it happens quite frequently. So, and these are people that a lot of times hike alone, just themselves, not with 2 or 3 people, so that if something goes wrong, they have nobody to help them. It's like, you gotta be kidding, you did that? Well, yeah, because in Arizona, if you don't have water, by 11 or 12 o'clock, it's very, very hot. It could be 35 Celsius or 100 plus Fahrenheit. So, and no water, and I can't walk anymore. Then the next thing you know, they call for a helicopter rescue. Happens a lot. Western Arizona, one day while hiking, they reached the crest. They came up a hill, walking up a hill to the top, the crest of the hill, the hilltop, the crest. They're right there. Crest of a hill, where they noticed, oh wow, a pair of eagles, large birds, pair of eagles standing on a large rock, big rock over there. And as they approached to take a photograph, the birds suddenly flew away. Visiting V sound, BBB, reached hiking crest, approached, attempted. Suddenly, all of a sudden, there was no notice, they don't gone. He left suddenly. He just got up and left, like Mr. Sin. Read the sentence, got up and left. He suddenly left the room. Flew away. Flew like, almost like he's got the flu. Flew away. Fly, he's flying right now, and yesterday he flew. Any questions about the words? The meaning of the words? Crest, hilltop, hiking, walking a distance in a remote area, perhaps. Crest, top, pair. How many's a pair?
2.
2. Very good. I thought you were going to say 4, but you said 2. Very good. Standing on a large rock, they approached the birds and attempted to take a picture, a photograph. The eagle suddenly flew away. Any other questions about that? We'll have a test tomorrow and see who remembers. Right, okay. Approach. Approach. He approached the teacher. Approached the teacher to ask a question about the subject. Approached. To come near, to come closer to.
Reach.
Reach.
R-E-A-C-H, reach.
R-E-A-C-H?
Is the same meaning?
Well, not exactly. To approach is to I'm approaching, I'm approaching, I'm approaching, I'm approaching, boom, I finally reached you.
Yes.
Yeah, you're approaching the library. Closer, closer, closer. What's she doing? She's approaching the library closer. And then finally, the front door, she has reached the library. So you approach, 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 and then you reach.
Attempt.
Attempted.
Attempted. Attempted. Attempted.
แปลว่าพยายาม It's mean try.
Yeah, attempt to take a photograph. I could have said they approached the birds and tried to take a photograph. They were going up with the cat and suddenly whoosh, gone. So they tried to take a photograph, but the birds flew away. the 10th tribe, make an effort. They made an effort to take a picture, but boom, gone. Any other questions? Pronunciation is important. Approach, attempted, reached. Crest, large. Very large. Large rock. Okay. Okay, see what we got here. The hotel guest decided to rest in his room as he was to attend a dinner later that evening. He called room service and requested that his suit be pressed as he was to wear it that night. The maid came and collected the suit along with a vest. She said she would return the suit shortly. She would return the suit shortly. The hotel guest decided to rest in his room as he was to attend a dinner later that evening. He called room service and requested that his suit be pressed as he was to wear it that night. The maid came and collected the suit along with the vest. She said she would return the suit shortly. Okay, let us.
The hotel guest decided to rest in his room as he was to attend a dinner later that evening. He called room service and requested that his suit be placed as he was to wear it that night. The maid came and collected the suit along with a vest. She said she would return the suit shortly.
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 I'll be back shortly. The maid came and collected the suit along with a vest. She said she would return the suit shortly. Okay.
The hotel guest decided to rest in his room as he was to attend a dinner practice. That evening, he called room service and requested that his suit be placed as he was to wear it that night. The maid came and collected the suit along with the vest. She said she would return the suit shortly.
She would return the suit shortly. Very good. As he was to attend a dinner later. He was to attend a dinner later that evening. He called room service and requested that his suit be pressed as he was to wear it that night. Okay.
The hotel guest decided to rest in his room as he was to attend a dinner later that evening. He called room service and requested that his suit be placed as he was to wear it that night. The maid came and collected the suit along with a vest. She said she would return the suit shortly.
She said she would return the suit shortly. The maid, like maid. Like I made the book, I made the equipment, I made this, I made that. It's the same sound as I made something, but it is made, M-A-I-D, made. Maid came and collected the suit along with a vest. Along with a vest. She said she would return the suit shortly. Okay.
The hotel guest decided to rest in his room as he was to attend a dinner later that evening. He called room service and requested that his suit be pressed and as he was to wear it that night. The maid came and collected the suit along with a vest. She said she would return the suit shortly.
Shortly. Very good. Along with a vest. Not west, but vest. Okay. Go ahead.
The hotel guest decided to rest in his room as he was to attend a dinner later that evening. He called room service and requested that his suit be pressed as he was to wear it that night. The maid came and collected the suit along with a vest. She said she would return the suit shortly.
Right, very good. The hotel guest decided to rest in his room as he was to attend a dinner later that evening. He called room service and requested that his suit be pressed. Pressed, as he was to wear it that night. The maid came and collected. That is just a little bit at the end. Collected the suit along with the vest. She said she would return the suit shortly. Okay.
The hotel guest decided to rest in his room as he was to attend a dinner later that evening. He called the room service and requested that his suit be pressed as he was to wear it that night. The maid came and collected the suit along with the vest. She said she would return the suit shortly.
Right, she would return the suit shortly. The maid came and collected the suit along with a vest. She said she would return the suit shortly. Okay.
The hotel guest decided to rest in his room as he was to attend a dinner later that evening. He called room service and requested that his suit be pressed. As he was to wear it that night, the maid came and collected the suit along with a vest. She said she would return the suit shortly.
Right, very good. Good job. The maid came and collected the suit along with a vest. She said she would return the suit shortly. Okay.
The hotel guest decided to rest in his room and he was to attend a dinner later that evening. Called room service and requested that his suit be pressed as he was to wear it that night. The maid came and collected the suit along with a vest. He said he would return the suit shortly.
Right. She said, the maid said she would return the suit shortly. Later. Pressed. So the hotel guest decided, he made up his mind, he decided, I think I'll stay here. I could go out, but I think I'll stay here and rest. Why? As he had to attend a dinner later that evening, maybe 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, maybe right now it was about 2 o'clock, so at 6, 7, or 7:30, he had to attend the dinner later that evening. He called room service. Hello, this is room 604. May I speak with someone to help? Yes, sir, we'll be glad to help you. What do you need? Oh, I have a suit here. I need to have it pressed. I have to wear it this evening. He asked politely that his suit be pressed as he was to wear it that night. The maid came. The employee of the hotel, the maid, came and collected the suit and the vest that goes with the suit, along with the vest. She said she would return the suit shortly. In a few minutes, sir, I will be back with the suit pressed. Any questions about the words?
Teacher, suit be pressed suit replaced. It seems like a new iron.
Right, exactly. To be pressed, to have the suit smoothed out, to make it look nice and neat. So he would have the suit pressed.